Hi, I'm at Lake Ontario again, and it's cold today. We have snow on the ground here and in the trees. It's like a winter wonderland, winter fairyland here. And I wanted to share with you Lake Ontario and the beautiful shifting colors of Lake Ontario in the cold weather. And in the sky as another painting prompt, a more subtle painting prompt, right? As one of the things I love about painting, it helps me become more aware of nature and the things around me and to pay attention. I came down here today because she's always different. Nature and Lake Ontario, every day I come down here, she's different. And I wanted to say hi to her and to see what today brought with the weather and how she looks. And can you see the gentle gradations of color in the water? There's grays, there's green grays, blue grays, and the sky has amazing patterns and shapes to it too. And they're all very subtle, but they're beautiful. The water's clear. You might be able to hear the seagulls calling. So I wanted to share that with you. Lake Ontario on another day when she's chilly, it's chilly out and there's snow